The Importance of Mathematics in Engineering by Bryan Callaway. For a long amount of time, calculus has been used as a tool to model the physical world. And for good reason. Calculus is invaluable in our ability to understand and make predictions about various physical systems. Knowing calculus can allow us to derive many equations that we take for granted. Calculus is so useful to engineers that you will likely utilize it whenever you design anything, as designing something which functions properly requires an understanding of our physical world and how it is modeled. When you know calculus, many of the equations which you committed to memory in middle school or high school become simple to derive. For example, we can utilize the derivative, a fundamental tool of calculus, in order to derive the equation for the surface area of a sphere, if given only the volume equation, volume equals 4/3 pi r cubed. If given only the surface area of a sphere, we can use the integral, another fundamental tool of calculus, to derive the volume. Many people have taken algebra-based high school physics and remember trying to commit equations such as the kinematics equations to memory. Many of these equations, including the kinematics equations, can be derived easily using the tools of calculus. If you are in electrical or computer engineering, Maxwell's equations, which are partial differential equations, or equations containing unknown multivariable functions and their partial derivatives, form the foundation of electric circuits and provide a mathematical model for wireless communication, power generation, radar, electric motors, and more. If you are in mechanical engineering, the Navier-Stokes equations are partial differential equations which describe the motion of viscous fluid, i.e. they describe the motion of things such as ocean currents, flow of water in a pipe, and airflow around a wing. Calculus is useful to study because it opens many doors to other areas of mathematics. For example, the tools of calculus are used to solve ordinary and partial differential equations, and in areas of math such as probability theory, calculus is seen. In order to study calculus, it is important to be enthusiastic and actually want to learn. You're learning tools to help you design things that function in our physical world. It's also useful to test yourself. In all my time at college when studying, I've learned the most by creating my own challenging tests and testing myself. This is useful because it helps you to review important information and allows you to challenge yourself. Study to learn things, not to memorize details. Try to understand every theorem in the book, and if possible, try to prove some of them yourself.